Hey everyone, we're on a patch of small gold here. The old mate Sellers here on the right hand side found the patch and
found 10 pieces so far, haven't we?
yeah, 10 pieces, just small stuff.
And Tomo come across this patch and it's fucking screaming, isn't it?
Screaming.
So Tomo, you should take credit for this piece.
No.
No, come on.
And then we've got Gibbsy here.
Gibbsy on the tools.
Say good day, Gibbsy.
Gibbsy's very good on the tools.
Yeah, Gibbsy's very good on the tools. Alright.
Don't fucking
Little,
smoke
not
crazy.
too much, Gibbsy.
Piano.
That'll do. Still down there?
No, it's out.
Yeah.
It's up there already.
Alright. See if you can put the headphones to this and we'll have a listen.
Yeah.
Alright, got the headphones here and we'll see if we can have a listen. Yeah, you can hear that. Alright, off you go, Gibbsy. We'll get from this part.
Take a little bit, check it out.
Still there.
We had the RX gain cranked up to 17.
Yeah.
And we've been over this patch, what, 5-10 times?
Yep.
We just cranked the RX gain up. Still there, Greg.
Plus we had 5 or 10 mil of rain overnight.
I reckon that's made the difference.
I reckon it's made the difference. Still there. Okay, it's in the
shovel, Greg.
In the shovel.
You got the earmuffs, Tomo?
Yeah.
No, it's in the shovel still. Shovel?
This is good.
I can't hear that properly, Pete. Shovel still, Greg. Yeah, it's still in the shovel, definitely. Shovel. It should be down the bottom if it's gold, shouldn't it? Shovel. They're not big bits of gold, but gold's gold, isn't it? Shovel.
And it's bloody good fun.
Oh, it is. We've walked miles, haven't we?
Yeah.
Shovel. Shovel. It's looking good. It's always on the bottom, isn't it?
Yeah, it works its way to the bottom. Ooh.
Shovel. Shovel.
Getting a bit closer now.
Still in the shovel. Come on, Gibbsy. Shovel.
I wish it was that big bit.
Yeah. No, move the shovel. Move the yeah, still in the shovel.
Okay, getting close.
It must be little.
Must be
Gold's
little.
gold.
Must have been little and on the surface.
Shovel. No, it's still in the shovel. Just have a look in there now.
You can probably see it.
You should be able to see it. I think I can see it.
Where do you think is it?
No, it's
It's
there.
here.
There, I think.
Right, you Greg. Oh, sorry. Is that it?
This is it.
That's
Yeah,
it.
that's it. All right.
They're not big bits, but it's great.
Have a look at that,
Leave your
eh?
hands into the same spot. Now I'll just take it back a bit so we get a...
Magnify it.